Hi, my name is Isabella and I've been asked to do a little video about why I like my garden and how it impacts my mental health. So this start of this video is in my back garden. So you've got my greenhouse and various plants in the background, and I will also take you a little bit around my allotment to show you some of my veggies later. So I love being outside. I find it really helps. So I work outside most of the time. I bring my laptop out. I have a long Ethernet cable that snakes along which means that I have a solid connection, and I find it really helps me because I get fresh air and I can hear the birds and also all sorts of other random things, but it's just much nicer for me, and being out in the garden and listening to the bees and things is just really helpful. So this is my allotment. So sweet corn, courgette, a few parsnips. That doesn't look very good, so we'll go past this one. My polytunnel with my tomatoes. My little tiny patch. Yeah, no, oh, crumbs, not very easy. Oh, crumbs, not very easy to get through past. They're attacking me. Ah! Right, anyway, tomatoes at the end. Look, got ripe tomatoes. It's always a source of complete amazement. It's so lovely having ripe tomatoes. And if you only ever buy them in the shops, being able to just pick one and just have your own one. Oh, so lovely. So here's another patch, and my sweet corn, which is starting to grow. There's some more over there that are better, and squash. See, this is just so exciting. This is why gardening and allotmenting helps your mental health, because you see these amazing things that are growing. It's a type of squash, and they have amazing names like Guatemalan pink banana. I mean, I don't know who decides the name, but they're great, and it's lovely. I mean, it doesn't look neat all the time, but I'm not bothered about neat. And I have more. I put these all under straw yesterday, not under straw, on straw yesterday, to try and help them get a bit better. But yeah, my allotment's my happy place. I use it for energy and exercise because I do the digging and I do the weeding, because yeah, there's lots of weeds. But it makes me happy because you see the flowers. The flowers are the runner beans, and half the time, to be fair, I just leave the flowers for the bees and the birds. And you can see there's a flower over there, just sort of, where is it? There. I started planting some just so that the bees can have something. And it's outside. Happy place. Makes a difference.